Hi guys, today I will give you brief instruction how to adjust uPVC door hinges. So when we close it, door can be hit here, here, here. Currently door adjusted to correct range. These 3D hinges, which very simple to adjust basically by this Allen key. This hinge adjusts this way to the frame, depth to hold tight against rubber, and also height of the door. So currently we will adjust hinge. If it's hit this way, I'll show you how to bring door this way so it doesn't hit here. So what we'll do, we lose these two bolts and then tie up here these ones in here, and we're adjusting these bolts to tie them up. Make them as tight as possible so they don't get loose. Okay, now walk in here. To adjust height, we just from the bottom of the door there is another Allen key, but first of all you have to lose these two bolts, and only then adjust from the bottom. So same Allen key for everything, just we go, if you want to go up you go clockwise, if you want to go down anti-clockwise. Then, when we adjusted height of the door, check it and tie these two back to tight position. This one and this one. Your door should close smooth, doesn't rub against frame or any metal, and that's how you lock the door.